So find your headstand, find your balance, find something to focus your drishti, your gaze onto, and feel free, if you're still working with the headstand, you might fall out of this, but just keep pressing those forearms down and keep lifting your feet up, and you never know what you can do. So we're going to try to come right knee over left knee, okay? Flexing the feet, try to hook the right foot behind the back of the left shin. So now you've got eagle legs upside down in your headstand. Take 3 breaths. Slowly unhooking, and then switch. Left knee over right knee, foot comes around, flexing the feet, squeezing the legs in, roll the shoulders away from the face. 3 breaths. One more.